Hello, everyone, and welcome to Beginning Band with Mr. Phil, where you can find easy solutions to your wind instrument challenges. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to position your fingers on your flute. Let's start with just the left hand. This is the one that goes closest to your face. Your left hand is positioned underhanded, meaning your palm faces you slightly. Your thumb goes on the one key under the flute. That's your thumb's home key. It supports the flute and helps balance your grip. Now for your index finger, it goes on the second key from the top. Notice how the first key has a bar across it. Many flutes have that to show it's not a key you press. Next, your second finger skips one key and lands on the next open one. Then your third finger follows right after that. Your fourth finger, your pinky, stays up. We won't really be using that one for our beginning notes. Now let's look at your right hand. You'll hold it overhand like this. Your palm faces down towards the keys. Your thumb goes underneath the flute to help support it. You'll notice that some of the keys near your index finger have bars across them too. To avoid any confusion, let's work backwards this time. Start with your pinky. Place it on the first key on the foot section of the flute. You know, the small section near the end. Then moving towards your face, add one finger at a time on each round key. Your ring finger, middle finger, index finger, each find a comfortable home. Thanks for watching Beginning Band with Mr. Phil, where you can always find easy solutions to your wind instrument challenges.